In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Google Cloud Platform account in 2025. Whether you're looking to leverage Google Cloud's powerful computing resources or exploring cloud solutions for the first time, setting up your account is the first essential step. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process smoothly. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your web browser and type in the URL cloud.google.com. This is the Google Cloud official site where you'll start your account creation journey. Once you're on the site, look for the button that says Get Started for free. This is prominently displayed and serves as your gateway to exploring Google Cloud's extensive services at no initial cost. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account. If you already have one, simply enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have a Google account, this stage gives you the option to create one. Just follow the prompts to set up a new account with Google if needed. Once signed in, you'll be asked to enter your location details by selecting your country from a drop-down menu. This step helps Google tailor the services and terms of service according to your region. Make sure to carefully read through the terms and conditions presented. You'll need to agree to these terms to proceed, ensuring you're informed about how Google Cloud operates. Continuing on, you'll need to add payment information. This involves entering credit or debit card details. Importantly, this is solely for verification purposes. No charges will be made to your card at this time. It's a standard procedure to ensure the authenticity of your sign-up and to activate promotional offers. Now click on Start My Free Trial. Google Cloud Platform offers $300 in free credits for new users, valid for 90 days. This generous trial lets you explore and experiment with various tools and services without worrying about initial costs. After you start your trial, you'll be directed to the Google Cloud Console by visiting console.cloud.google.com. This console is the central hub for managing your projects, resources, and services on Google Cloud. Familiarize yourself with this interface as it will be central to any future cloud activities you undertake. And there you have it. You're all set up with a Google Cloud Platform account, ready to host applications or deploy services. Take advantage of the trial period to get a feel for what Google Cloud can offer you. From deploying simple applications to exploring intricate cloud solutions, the possibilities are vast. Enjoy exploring Google Cloud, and welcome to the world of cloud computing.